Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and versatility of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a very meaningful word, apology. An apology is a way of saying sorry for a mistake, an important part of maintaining healthy relationships and demonstrating accountability. Let's break it down. Imagine you accidentally bump into someone while walking down the street. A simple apology like, "I'm so sorry about that," can smooth over the situation instantly. The word apology is used in everyday situations to express regret, whether for small accidents or larger misunderstandings. Some common synonyms for apology include sorry, regret, and remorse. For example, you might say, "I sent a note of regret for missing her party," or "he showed genuine remorse for his actions." Each of these words carries a similar meaning but can vary slightly in tone and context. Now, let's talk about antonyms. The opposite of an apology would be something like blame, denial, or accusation. For instance, instead of apologizing for a mistake, someone might shift blame by saying, "It's not my fault," or deny responsibility entirely by saying, "I didn't do it." In daily life, offering an apology can be as simple as saying, "I'm sorry I was late to the meeting," or as formal as writing a letter to express regret for a misunderstanding. It's also common to hear phrases like, "My apologies," in more professional settings, or "I owe you an apology," when acknowledging a mistake. Let's see apology in action. After forgetting his friend's birthday, he sent a heartfelt apology with flowers. The company issued a public apology for the product defect. She refused to accept his apology, saying it didn't feel sincere. To sum up, an apology is a powerful tool for repairing relationships and showing accountability. Whether it's a quick, "I'm sorry," or a thoughtful explanation, the word apology reminds us of the importance of acknowledging our mistakes and making things right. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. Before you go, I have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word apology and share it in the comments. I can't wait to read what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring words and keep growing.
Goodbye.